above me to the side. Even if I wanted to, I got no place good to hide. Concrete is my color and commerce it's my pride. Get me out of here. No one should live like this. Get me out of here. From a subway steamy kiss. Take me to the country and dip me in some bliss. Get me out of here.
Trying to spook it.
'Cause I can't live like this.
Definitely cruising left to right at least. It's a decent size. Oh. I slapped the water too much. When he stopped. He stopped right there. And I got grass on my fly. He's still there. He's in that same spot. Because he's chilling. Spooked him. He must have touched the line. Somehow he must have touched the line. What in the world? Well, it was early. I've only been out here for like 5 minutes, so let's see if we can find another one. What was he doing? I wonder if I spooked him and he was hanging out waiting. Might be another one in this next little section. Let's see. It stinks, but at least there was one before I go past. Make sure there's not something to the left. See something. Oh, that looks like one. I can't tell if that's red or kind of looks like a school of mullet right now. And I lost it. I don't think it was a redfish. Nah. Something right there. I think that's one. Let's see. Definitely some activity right here. And I can't tell if it's a red or not. See him pushing the grass and then I'll know. Nah, it's not. Just saw another one straight ahead. But I gotta tie this fly on. Oh, that's not one. Never mind. That's a school of mullet. Big school. What's this over here? Another stinking school, probably. Man. Big schools, though. That'll work. hear one back here. So you'll just see the slightest little, nudging like that. You can tell there's something underneath these grass mats, and you'll see the green grass itself. Yeah. Oh, that was a mullet jumping, of course. But it's pretty subtle. It's definitely better to be up and not walking around in this. Plus, this stuff is usually a lot deeper. This is not that deep. I think I see something right here. Yeah, I think about 20 feet ahead. I don't know how much. Oh yeah, it's out there though. Too far. That was not far cast, but the fish is too far out. Well, turn the camera off. I was about to turn around and leave and see if I could see him tailing on the flat again, but I just heard two. One was pretty close, and one was a big gulp on the left. It's just tough. Rule number one, you don't leave fish to find fish. It's gotta be in this stuff right in here. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? I think he's close. Oh, I know. I heard that one back there on the left. A lot of times it's like dropping it. Like a roll cast or something. Plus, I don't know how deep this gets in this grass. Yeah, that's gonna get really deep out there. I'd have to go all the way back and back in. So, straight ahead of me is a little guy on top of the marsh grass, floating grass mats. Let's see if I can get close enough to not spook him. He's got his head down. ripples again to pinpoint it. You gotta hear it, and then you'll see ripples up on the surface. I mean, something's this direction and to my left, like for sure. I just got up a little higher. That's nice. It looks like there's something right here. I know there's something on that left side, but I can't see it because it's just too thick in the grass and it's too far away. So you gotta look for the ripples. Over my waist. I have little to no ability to see anything. Now I'm down in the actual feeder creek on the top of my chest. Should be able to get a little higher right here. Yeah, there we go. And see if I can see something. Okay, that was close on the left. But I've got almost no footing. There we go. I'm getting higher. There we go. There was one to the right here, back on that that floating stuff. But there was one right around in here. I mean, yeah, that's not one, that's right there, that's gotta be mullet. These crabs. Look at that guy. Very light colored. This guy. Look at these guys. There's 3 of them. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how these redfish are coming around. Scooping straight off of the top of the floating around. They're not bothering to go tailing through the flat. You can just nose around under these floating mats, reeds, slurping them down. So I just saw some grass move right there. That looked like a redfish. Let's see. I don't know. Definitely across the flat, I can hear him going, busting up on these flat, floating reed mats. There was one in here, I just don't see anything and haven't heard anything. Maybe I'll go across the little flat here and see if I can see something. I mean, yeah, just heard another one. He's like out there though. Which, let me push through. Because I think I can get on this shallower section and go out to the edge, because I think it's on the edge of the feeder creek. Because if I try to go straight at it, I'm going to be in like shoulder deep water. This is a little section of the flat. I saw the first fish that was tailing. Don't know what happened to it. Like what made it just kind of get spooked. But I think the one I just heard, I think, is round in here. Hopefully I hear it again. There's something right there, but I think that's mullet. That's gotta be mullet. That water's not deep enough. Back there, but I grab some grass for sure. I think there's one right in here to my right. Oh. Grass move. Pretty deep. I mean, you see, this is like waist deep right here. Trying to get back towards the flat where I may be able to see them more, like cruising on the top at the minimum. Oh yes, he's on. And I've got no drag. Tight. Oh, I'm caught him. Oh my goodness. What is this tangle? Oh my word. Oh, he's gotta still be on. There he is. Okay. Right? Oh, if it came off. No, I think he's still on. Oh my goodness, I just barely saw his back. There he is. Yeah. Oh, he's got me in the grass. Oh, what? What? Oh, the water is so smooth, so calm. I could see his back. I could see this little. Oh, he's a good 50 yards out now. Oh, he's pulling. He's trying to get to the creek, which would be another. If he had gone more left, he'd be like 20 feet from it. Right now he's about 40 feet. Crazy. Oh my goodness. And then my line's untangled. What? Oh. He seems like a good fish. He was just cruising on the top. I mean, he's got a lot of fight in him still. It's another one of my son's flies. A little black and purple. A lot of black, kind of like dark brown, black fox fur. He's coming back now. I mean, you can't beat the sunset. Jeez. He's got some shoulders. He's coming at me. I don't want to spook him. I need to do a run. Let's see if I can get him straight. One time. Oh, no, I can't. Oh, I can't. He's too big. Oh, just by the tail. He's a beast. Oh, he's a beast. Jeez. All right, let's put him in this net and then take him to this grass flat. We can set him up on it. Oh man, he's huge. What an awesome fish. Oh. All right, chill right there. I think I have a tape measure. He is not small. I got this tape measure. That's a preliminary. He is pushing 30, but I don't think he's 30. He's drumming. He is 29 and a half. 29 and a half. He's a big one. Awesome. Let's get this hook out of you, buddy. What a beautiful fish. Oh, right in the corner of the mouth too. I'm drumming away. Look at that. Oh, don't bite me. There we go. Look at that. Look at him flare up. Look at the colors. What has he got? One dot there. Another on that side. Look at the little blue. Let's flip him around to the sunset. Look at that. What a fish. My guy. Oh, and there's another one right there. Literally right next to me. Super cool fish. Beautiful. I'll let you go, buddy. Make sure he's all right. He's going. There he goes. Yes! One right over there. getting the crabs off of the top, but let me get all this stuff situated. That was awesome.
Have you forgotten how to cry? Get me out of here.